Welcome. In front of me is LENOVO ThinkPad X1 Carbon, and in this video I will show you where to find the serial number of your device. So to find the serial number, we'll have to look at the bottom cover of it. So let me move it closer to you. And on the sticker, you'll be able to find the serial number, which is right after SN, abbreviation, and it's right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.